Zenith sangma Emily Borem Garangsa Kona, Wanphai but Prince of Biang Shiko Congress, Hakar Panitrik Urisa or Chapson, Ulakantaj Ban Jubab Halor Hynmen Jong, Kata Dr. Mukul Sangma. Hakajilang Priang Buram Zenith, Lembat Kiwi Pat Kibe Prince of Shiko Congress, Laidan Lang du Chela Kumar, General Secretary All India Congress Committee, in charge Meghalaya, Anthony Matthew, Joint Secretary AICC, in charge Meghalaya, Uba Vincent H. Pala, President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Usaleng A. Sangma, MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency, Lem QA. Zenith Abagran Jigla Psai Kubor Long, Bu Hynmen Jong Dr. Mukul Sangma, MLA Bomanta ka All India Tribal Congress na Song Sang, Ubadairu Nongilam Galang Persha Hayang Dorbar Tauan, but Menteri Rangba Barim Gajalahi, Uday Ubriu Balayar Bah Sanyhima, but Kumta Umka Ban Ong A. Halor Hynmen Jong.
My brother means you are mentioning about Dr. Mukul Sangma, right? He is a very tall leader, having long innings in politics, having lots of knowledge, wisdom, wealth of experience, as all of us know. So what he is thinking, what kind of thinking process is taking place in his mind, so these are best known to him only. So I request you to better ask him, and I'm not the authorized person to tell about him. So when the time comes, he may take any decision, that is up to him. So I don't want to dwell on this, and I request you better ask the same question to him only. As I have said, I have voluntarily decided, this is my conscious decision that I have taken to rejoin in this, my all party, all family, that is the Indian National Congress Party. In politics, as far as serving the people of the state and the country is concerned, there is no family. This is precisely I was fighting when I was first inducted in 2006 by then Chief Minister led Dr. Didi Lapang. The same questions was put forward. So I said, sir, if that is the case, then am I representing the family? I'm not representing the family. I'm also representing thousands of people, which is in my constituency. So that mentality, that mindset should be eradicated.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.